solar system. Solar system is a very wonderful creation of our nature mother. It consists of number of celestial objects like planets, stars, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, natural satellites, etc. So, the solar system can be defined as below. Solar system is a planetary system of 8 planets which revolve around the Sun. Other than the planets, further it consists of celestial objects like comets, asteroids, meteoroids, natural satellites, etc. Our solar system is made up of 8 planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Before 2007, Pluto is also a planet of our solar system, but not now. Why is that? To be a planet of our solar system, every planet should have 3 main characteristics. They are: it should be a global shape, it must be revolving around the Sun, it must have permanent orbit. But Pluto haven't a permanent orbit. It changes from time to time. So in 2007, scientists decided to remove Pluto from our solar system. Objects belonging to the solar system: Sun, planets, asteroid, meteoroid, comets, natural satellite. Inner planets and outer planets. Planets can be divided into 2 groups as inner planets and outer planets. Inner planets. The first 4 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, are inner planets. Inner planets are smaller in size and closer to the Sun and the asteroid belt. Asteroid belt. There is an asteroid belt between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Outer planet. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the outer planets. Luminous object and non-luminous object. The objects in the sky can be divided into 2 groups as luminous object and non-luminous object. Luminous objects are the objects which can produce their own light and heat. Non-luminous objects are the objects which cannot produce their own light and heat. What are the differences between stars and planets? Stars seem twinkling but planets are not. Stars are smaller but planets are bigger. Stars are luminous but planets are non-luminous. Dwarf planet. To be a planet of our solar system, every planet should have 3 main characteristics. They are: it should be a global shape, it should revolve around the Sun, it should have permanent orbit. The planets do not have these 3 main characteristics are called dwarf planets, like Ceres, Eris, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake. Let us study the members of the solar system. Sun. The Sun is a star and it is the closest star to the Earth. It is 149.6 million kilometers away from the Earth. The surface temperature is 6000 degrees Celsius and internal temperature is 15 million degrees Celsius. For one rotation of Sun takes 25 days and 4 hours. It is 109 times size of the Earth. The Sun has a big gravitational power. As a result of it, all the planets are revolved around it. The Sun is only luminous object in the solar system, so Sun gives light and heat to the other planets. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It is the closest planet to the Sun and it is the first interior planet. It has no satellite. It has no hydrosphere and no biosphere. The surface temperature is 167 degrees Celsius. As it has no atmosphere, lot of meteorites are fallen onto the surface of Mercury and large number of craters are made. It is difficult to send aircraft to Mercury as it is very hot and haven't an atmosphere. Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun and it is the second interior planet. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. Venus has an atmosphere full of carbon dioxide. Venus has no satellite. Venus has no hydrosphere or biosphere. The surface temperature is 464 degrees Celsius. Venus is the closest planet to the Earth. It is rotated from east to west. We can see Venus in our naked eye early in the morning in eastern sky and late in the evening in western sky. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is 149.6 million kilometers away from the Sun. There are only one satellite. For one rotation of Earth takes 23 hours and 56 minutes and 365 days and 6 hours for one revolution. The surface temperature of Earth is 15 degrees Celsius. There are lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere and atmosphere. There are oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, other gases in the atmosphere. There are 4 climatic seasons. They are summer, winter, autumn and spring. The polar diameter is 12,758 km and the equatorial diameter is 12,757 km. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is the last interior planet. It is also called red planet. It takes 24.5 hours for rotation. It is the second closest planet to the Earth. It is visible with our naked eye. It has 2 satellites. They are Deimos and Phobos. It has thin atmosphere and the carbon dioxide gas is the predominant gas. There is an asteroid belt between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet in the solar system. It is the largest planet in the solar system. It is 10 times size of the Earth. Jupiter is also called giant planet. It is the first outer planet in the solar system. It is the fastest rotating planet. It is the planet with biggest gravitational power. It is well known for its red spot. It takes 9.9 hours for a rotation. It has 67 satellites. The main 4 satellites are Ganymede, Ega, Callisto and Nero. Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the solar system. It is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is 9 times size of the Earth. It is well known for its colorful rings. It is believed that these rings are made of ice particles of different size. It is the second outer planet. It has 62 satellites. The largest is Titan. Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It is the 3rd outer planet. It is the 3rd largest planet in the solar system. It has 27 satellites. It has extremely cool climate. It seems in blue color due to gases like methane present on it. Neptune. Neptune is the last planet from the Sun. It is the last outer planet. It is the coldest planet in the solar system. It has 14 satellites. It seems in blue color due to gases like methane. Celestial bodies in the sky. Comet, asteroid, satellite, meteorite. Comet. Comets are the leftover remain when the solar system made of rock, dust, gases, ice particles. Their sizes are different from a smaller one to the bigger one. When they are passing closer to the sun, they get heated. Gases in the spew forming a tail of light. This phenomena is called as outgassing. Asteroid. Asteroids are the large pieces of rock which are revolving around the sun, but they are smaller than planets, and larger asteroids are called planetoids or multiplanets. There is an asteroid belt between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Satellite. Of the 8 planets in the solar system, only 6 planets have satellites. Mercury and Venus have no satellite. Earth has only one satellite. Table given below shows the number of satellites passed by those planets. Mercury, no satellite. Venus, no satellite. Earth, only one satellite. Mars, 2 satellites. Jupiter, 67 satellites. Saturn, 62 satellites. Uranus, 27 satellites. And Neptune got 14 satellites. Satellite in dwarf planet. Accordingly, the 8th planet in the solar system got 173 satellites. The dwarf planet also have satellites. Their satellites are given below. Pluto got 5 satellites. Ceres, no satellite. Haumea, 2 satellites. Makemake, no satellite. Eris got 1 satellite. According, 5 dwarf planets have got 8 satellites. On the Earth, we enjoy high tide, low tide, lunar eclipses, solar eclipses due to the influence of the moon. Meteorite. Piece of comet or an asteroid that fall into the atmosphere of Earth is called meteorite. They can be stony, metallic or stony metallic. Meteorites come to the Earth as they are burned to dust due to the heat generated. To the heat generated by Friction-Hobart meteorite fallen into Nebius, one of the largest meteorites fallen onto the Earth. Different beliefs about the solar system. Buddhists observe the Pleiades following the shapes of the moon. Similarly, Muslim people celebrate Ramazan festival observing the moon. In the past, people worshipped the celestial objects like sun, moon, planets, etc., taking them as gods. Sinhalese and Tamils in our country celebrate the New Year festival following the revolution of the earth. People in the ancient country followed astrology and they believe sun, moon and other celestial objects influence our lives in different ways. The 7 days of week have been named by the names of the object in the solar system. Sambuddha, Monday, the day of the moon. Angaharwada, Tuesday, the day of Mars. Badada, Wednesday, the day of Mercury. Brahaspatinda, Thursday, the day of Jupiter. Sikurada, Friday, the day of Venus. Important. The people given below have done lot of contributions for the development of astronomy. Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei, who was an Italian, invented telescope and made lot of discoveries like creatures on the moon, satellite of Jupiter. Johannes Kepler. It was Kepler. He proved that all the planets are revolving around the Sun along an elliptical orbit. Nicholas Copernicus. He proved that all the planets are revolving around the Sun. He is called Father of Astrology. He has discovered a new planet in Caltech Institute of USA, but it has not yet been named as a member of the solar system. Thank you for watching.